In this video, we will be discussing how to use the 3D Topography tool. This tool allows you to virtually analyze the topography of parcels in a three-dimensional format. You're able to see the contour of the land portrayed by different height hexagons, and also the 3D footprint of the building. To enter the 3D Topography mode, first zoom into the map until you can see the parcel outlines and press the 3D Topography button. If a property is already selected and its address is in your search bar, then you'll immediately see its 3D topography. Alternatively, you can click on one or more parcels and that will also load their topography. You can also click again to turn off the topography on any parcel. When you've selected the 3D Topography tool, two new map controls will appear. The vertical slider controls the map pitch and the horizontal slider controls the map rotation. You can also rotate and pitch the map using the keyboard shortcuts and the mouse gestures as discussed in the Navigating TopHap's map tutorial. If you hover over the extruded hexagons, then you will see a tooltip with the elevation of that point above sea level. Notice that when displaying the 3D topography, TopHap shows elevations as relative to the selected parcel. What this means is that the lowest elevation will be at the map street level. Likewise, the colors of the hexagons are also relative to the parcel as well. Notice that if you see the same color grouped over an area, that will mean it's a relatively flat part of the lot. If you click on multiple parcels, then 3D topography will be relative to all parcels in the group. However, the colors will continue to visualize elevation relative to each parcel. To exit the 3D Topography mode, either press the tool button again or the purple Exit Topography button. Thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the rest of the TopHap Academy training videos and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn to stay up to date on all news and product updates.